wonders for my hair. I've only been using it for a month, but I'm starting to see little tiny fine hairs coming up through my surface.
So,
it's been
you know, I
amazing.
started going to the nutritionist anyway, and she recommended Provilis. And within a couple of weeks, I noticed a difference, a major difference, especially on the top and the back. It just started to get thicker. It was shinier and healthier. I love it. I couldn't have asked for more. I thank her for it.
I love Provelis. I would recommend it to anybody who's interested in any type of regrowth for their hair, especially women that have issues around the edges and the top of their head, just to something that will complement them. I mean, the product is great. You know,